back here through Carpenter, and Barker going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Here we go, set to go green. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's sport modified time at Jackson County. We're green. Three wide for the lead. Down the back straightaway, it is side by side action. It's Garrett, it's Barker, it's Bishop at the line. Give it to Austin Barker in the 2. Austin Barker in the 2, your race leader. Reed Bishop, the RC10, runs in the second spot. Bishop back down to the bottom of Barker. Out of turn number 4, down the front straightaway. It is now Chad Bishop, your race leader. Pat Barrett runs in the 3rd spot, all over the back bumper of Barker. Gets that car a little sideways, reels it back in. Now Austin Barker going to set his sights once again on Reed Bishop in the RC10. Down the front straightaway, Barker on the top side, or excuse me, on the bottom side, Bishop on the bottom side. 3 laps down to this one. Those two starting to drive away from 3rd place, running Pat Garrett in the 3 car. Out of turn number 4, it is still Reed Bishop, your race leader. Put on an exciting heat race, got a little tore up, went from the back to the front, and now here's the feature race, 3 wide at the start. And he is trying to shake off smoky hot Austin Barker in the 2 car. Battle for the 5th spot starting to heat up as well between Landon Barker and William Caldwell. Caldwell on the top side, Barker on the bottom. Move Landon Barker in the 5 to the 2nd spot momentarily. Out of turn number 4, he'll stamp, steal it, and make it official. The 5 of Landon Barker now inside the top 5. Meanwhile, still up in the front, Austin Barker in the 2, still trying to get past Reed Bishop. Bishop just barely edging him out in that RC10 car. It's Bishop, it's Barker. We've got a yellow. Caution flag coming out, 1 car around on the bottom side of turn number 4. Don't forget, 2 race fans after this. The compact feature still to come with the nightcap here at Jackson County Speedway. Reed Bishop, Austin Barker, Pat Garrett bring us the Angry Duck Media start zone. Green's back out. Great restart for the RC10 of Reed Bishop. Out at turn number 2, Bishop still showing the way. Austin Barker going to wash up the racetrack a little bit. As here comes Landon Barker now to the inside of Pat Garrett. It is all Reed Bishop, though, here in your feature event. Reed Bishop out in front. Austin Barker, Pat Garrett, and Landon Barker. Landon Barker all over the back bumper of the 3 of Pat Garrett. Garrett trying to pitch the 5 car away from him. This time by 10 laps down, 10 laps left to go for the RC10 of Reed Bishop. Only about a quarter car length over the 2 car. That's the advantage of the RC10. Reed Bishop still showing the way as we've got 1 around to turn number 2. Well, turn 2 doing what turn 2 does best, creating cautions tonight. That is the boom machine of Robbie Chambers going around over in turn number 2. Here we go, green flag back out. Here comes Austin Barker in the 2. Barker way upside the top of the track. Thought he was going to put it out in the parking lot for a minute. Reed Bishop still working the bottom side here. 11 now, 9 to go for the RC10 of Reed Bishop. Here comes Landon Barker to the bottom of Pat Garrett. Landon Barker sliding up front of that 3 car. He's going to take over the 3rd spot in the 5. So right now, Reed Bishop racing the race of his life in that RC10 machine. It's Bishop, Barker, Garrett, and Caldwell, your top 5. It's still Reed Bishop. Austin Barker still trying to track him down. Bishop trying everything he can to hold off the 2 car. And 1 around in turn number 4. So every other class doesn't like turn 2, and the Sport Mods don't like turn 4. Not too sure who that was kicking up a cloud over in 3 and 4. 15 down, 6 to go. Green's back out. Reed Bishop still showing the way. Austin Barker going to try to make a move here. 5 fingers up. 5 laps left to go for your Sport Mods here at Jackson County Speedway. Reed Bishop still showing the way. Austin Barker, Landon Barker, Pat Garrett, and William Caldwell. If Austin Barker wants that feature win, it's go time now. 4 laps left to go for Reed Bishop. The RC10 has been out in front since the start of this feature event. Does Austin Barker have anything for him? 3 laps left to go. Still the bottom line, the preferred line here at the Jackson County Speedway here this evening. That's making it kind of hard for the 2 of Austin Barker to get by him. 2 to go this time. Reed Bishop still works the bottom. He'll go into turn number 3. White flag this time for the RC10. Does Austin Barker have anything for him? Austin Barker looks to the bottom of Bishop. Can't get the drive in turn number 2. He'll have to get it here in 3 and 4. They'll enter turn number 3. Bishop going to try to stick around the tractor tires. It's not going to be enough. Out of 4, Reed Bishop, your feature winner.